We're gonna stick that on here. Just, we don't care if it oozes out everywhere, that's fine. That's it. Nice handle now.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Ta-da.
Welcome back to our organic gardening, homesteading, and woodworking channel. This time we got a video on how to repair broken tool handles, like this over here. Take a look at that.
Pitchfork.
So we're gonna show you the best way, in our opinion anyways, how to repair these handles. Let's get to it.
All right. So instead of just throwing it away, it's a good pitchfork. It's so we're gonna fix it today. So what we're gonna do is just put a little of this Tight Bond 3, this waterproof wood glue. We're gonna stick that on here. Just, we don't care if it oozes out everywhere, that's fine. And just kind of smear it all around, get it on there, and stick it right here where it goes. And then grab a clamp.
These parallel Bessie K-body clamps are really handy because they don't have the swiveling jaw that tries to slip off around.
Yeah, no, these work really, these work really, really good.
Surface there. So
we'll just let that sit up and glue for a bit. It won't take long, and we'll be back in just a moment to show the next step. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how nice it turns out. Okay, we're back. We'll pull the clamps off. All right, now for the next step, we're going to take this string. This is really strong, like nylon string.
is it like braided, or is it just twisted?
I think it's just twisted, yeah.
Yeah, it's twisted. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Good strong stuff. So in order, we're going to use a little super glue, and we're going to just start this wrap. I'll put a little bit of this on here. Now hit it with a little bit of
Accelerator.
You don't have to do that, but that makes it easier for getting started. So then we're going to take this Tight Bond 3, the green label, waterproof stuff, and we're just going to put a bunch of that on here. And just kind of smear it all around here. Get it all goopy. Make sure you get it all everywhere. Okay, and then we're going to start wrapping this string around here. You kind of pull it kind of tight. And this takes a while to do. It's not a real fast process. So we'll just wrap this whole thing. Keep pulling it tight as you're doing it. And try to keep the strings right next to the previous wrap, so it's nice and solid string around it. And try not to overlap the strings anywhere on top of each other. We'll make an extra bump when we're done.
So did you start at the beginning of the break, or you just kind of near the end of it?
Just at the beginning of the break, a little bit beyond the end of the break, at the beginning of the break, so that you have the whole break completely covered with this string.
Yeah.
And you can see we clamped the handle down to the table saw here so we can pull on this string to keep it
taut. You got it
and
clamped here.
So We'll put some more glue all here. When we're done, we'll put more glue right over the top of all these strings like that, but we'll wait until we're all done to put the rest of it on there.
Mm-hmm. So you just keep wrapping that?
Yeah, just keep wrapping it and wrapping it. This will make it stronger than it was before. Looks like we're just about there. I'll cut this string.
Put a little bit of glue.
And let's put a little bit of glue on it so it doesn't come undone. There. Now, next step is to use more of this glue and just put a layer all around, cover it with this glue so it's all soaked in between the wraps. And clamp it so I can turn it over. See what I'm doing on the bottom side. I'll let that dry and then we'll do the next step. All right, we got the glue dried, and now the next step is to put this heat shrink tubing over it. You can buy this off Amazon. It's just a large heat shrink tubing. It comes flat.
And they sell that for what? I mean, what is
like
it?
Fishing rod handles and that
Yeah.
kind of thing. You can get different size diameters, but this is the one that'll fit this handle. So we'll just go
Put it right on there like that.
there, and you kind of feel in there to see if you're even. Yeah, we're about centered on that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just take a torch and shrink it. You got to keep your torch moving, otherwise you'll melt the stuff. So just go over it. It takes a little time. Just make sure you get it all shrunk tight against the handle, no pockets in there.
Looking good.
Yeah. And gives you extra grip on your tool.
Makes it stronger and gives you a good grip.
Yeah.
Cool.
I think that's it. There's a nice handle now.
Yeah, that looks nice. Very nice.
So, yeah.
I hope you enjoyed our little quick tutorial on how to repair your own tool handles. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, or comments, you can put them down there. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And remember, God is light and God is love.